Alright, so this is a computer program that allows you to draw some Egyptian motif art, and I think it's pretty cool. So here you have the number of branches, which is just the number of branches your art is going to have. So as you see here, as I increase that number, you're going to see there are more and more branches, but as I decrease it, there's not going to be as many. Then if you look at size, that is the actual size of how big you want your motif to be. So if I increase the size, you see the actual line increasing, and the backup does the exact opposite. So it's how much you want to retract. So if I decrease the backup, you're going to see that it pulls out. This inner shape is going to pull out. But if I increase the backup, it's going to actually flip, depending on how you do it. Number of sides, that's the number of sides you want for your outside polygons. So 6, there's a hexagon. And then you also have less. And then the size, polygon size, is how big you want your polygons to be.